Welcome to Ko Samui, Thailand. Ko just means island, so you can just call it Samui. But on the map, it's listed as Ko Samui. Today I'm going to show you our Airbnb here. And this is the entryway. It's a little parking area. It doesn't come with the motorbikes, but you can rent them separate. As you walk in, down there's a nice little fish pond. And that's the master bedrooms. We'll get back to those. First, we're going to go in to the kitchen living room area. And there is a bath here. And then in the kitchen, there's a wine cooler there, cabinets, refrigerator, coffee maker, stove, 2 ovens, a toaster, microwave. There's a big nice table here. It's a good place for gathering with friends and family. We have breakfast here every morning. Interesting Buddha statue made out of glass. The TV, sofa, and look at this view. All of these windows pull back. You can open the doors to all this and just let the air come right through. Feels really nice. Yeah, I think it has air conditioning over there, but there hasn't been a need for it since we've been here. Not up here anyway. Up here we just leave it open. I use it in my room. I don't know what this is. Listen, if you know what this is, leave a comment. I would really like to know. Let's back up some. It looks kind of like a termite mound or something, but it's made out of. It feels like it's made out of wood. It's a nice little monkey. How would you like to run into that night as a child? It would have scared me. If you know what that is, let me know in the comments. Okay, so we'll continue the tour. So over here is just another entryway here, and then these steps go down to a sitting area at the end of the pool. I'll show you that in a minute. This place is on Airbnb for $600 a night. It's a 5-bedroom, 8-bath villa. I don't know the square footage. This is the top deck looking over the infinity pool. Lots of seating. And then you can see the Gulf of Thailand, I believe it is, over here. Then you can also see it over there. And just behind this mountain in the foreground here is the airport. So you can watch the planes coming and going. As you can tell, you're pretty close to the airport here. And here we're going back by the kitchen again. Put up a little Christmas tree for us. Down the steps. This is the master bedroom. And wait till you see this tub. The tub. You can sit in the tub and look out over the ocean. All the showers are like this with the rocks at the bottom, the brick on the back, and then lots of closet. And out here again, a beautiful balcony. There's a cook and housekeepers live here, husband and wife. They live in a small room here, and they'll cook for you if you like, or you can cook for yourself. Either way. This is a bathroom associated with the pool, toilet, and then it's a wet bath. There's a shower here. The top master bedroom, and then there's another master bedroom down here. Very similar to the top. I'm not going to go in it. And then again, fantastic view. Now here on this level an outdoor bed, a hanging swing chair. Again, with a view of the infinity pool and the ocean and beyond. Behind the pool are 3 identical bedrooms. I'll just show you one of these. Again, these doors, they open all the way, just like they do upstairs. So I'm not going to open them all the way right now, but I have had them all the way up. You can open them all the way, pull the curtains back, and this is what you're looking at. There's some, I don't know, just there's some storage. Closets. The shower is about the same as in the master. It's glazed glass, but behind it is the fish pond I showed you the first, and I'll show you that in just a second. Double sinks. And here are the facilities, and I look out over the fish pond. And of course, there's a blind to close for privacy. Some of the things I don't like here, because I want to show you the good and the bad. I just don't want to hype this place up. It's a nice place, but it has problems, and one of them is the shower leaks out onto the floor, and the hardwood's been warped. This doesn't bother me. It's going to be a problem long term for the homeowner. Go around the pool here. It's a nice pool. Some lounge chairs. And then at the end is another place to gather. This is a nice place to sit. I enjoy coming over here and sitting. Matter of fact, when I finish this video, I've got some work to do, and this is where I'm going to come sit and work. Here is the waterfall that's not working currently. I don't know. Let's see if this water works. I have not tried this sink yet. Yeah, the sink works. This refrigeration does not work, and I think they once had a cooktop here that they just covered over, so you can't cook out here anymore. It's still a nice place to sit with a nice view. A little bar in the pool, and there's some bar stools here. You can sit and have a drink. There's a beach down there just under the airport runway. I think it would be fun to go down there. The problem is they don't have regular planes, only once an hour or so, so you'd be waiting a while waiting for a plane, but it would be fun to watch the plane land over your head from the beach. Let's go back through here. And this is at the end of the 3 bedrooms. Some extra chairs. I don't know what's in here. Oh, linen storage. And again, here we are at the fish pond area. This is behind the bathrooms on the 3 lower units. The Airbnb will arrange a driver. They're very helpful as far as arranging anything you need. They arrange the motorbikes for us. They arrange a driver. The driver costs about $15 an hour with a 3-hour minimum, and they will take you anywhere on the island. You need something. This is not a place you can walk, so you need a motorbike or a driver, whatever you're comfortable with. Now let's walk out here on the infinity pool. Get you a view from this side. And then I'll show you the view all the way around. You can go down there. There's a place called Fisherman's Village right on the beach. It's a great place to eat. Lots of good restaurants down there. They have decks with catamaran type netting over them where you can kind of sit over the ocean and have a drink. And now I'm going to show you the laundry area. And this area down here is kind of a little bit unfinished. It'd be a nice space if it was finished. It could be useful. There's a Okay, here's the sauna. And I am guessing it doesn't work because I can't even make the door open. It might be stuck from this wood swelling down there. But anyway, so that's a sauna. Let's see what's in here. Again, that door is stuck. I can see where it's stuck at the top. The glass is stuck. Here's the laundry area. Another little not completely finished sitting area, and a bathroom that's not finished. And the laundry area, the hose is hooked up to the sink in there and runs into the washing machine. The downstairs area here is kind of a sore spot. And when we got here, we asked them about laundry because on the Airbnb listing it said there was laundry available. And I said, oh no, there's no laundry. But it's here. We found it. It's just kind of rough. I guess they were hoping we wouldn't go see it. But we didn't. So of course everything lights up nice at night. Nice breezes up here. It's very peaceful if you can't tell from the video. The two staff that are here full-time live back here in the back. There's a small room right there they live in. They're here full-time. The manager is available anytime through a text. He's always been prompt in replying. The Wi-Fi here is decent. I think the TV uses the internet because it freezes up quite a bit, but it works. You shouldn't be in a place like this to watch TV anyway, but it works well enough. I'll put a link to this property on Airbnb in the description if you're interested, and check it out. But this is what you can get in Ko Samui for about $600 a night. It's like I said, 5 bedrooms, 8 baths, big kitchen, amazing views. It worked just great for what we're here for. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.